Looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Edgewood, Maryland? Trash Panda Dumpsters LLC has got your back. Our dumpsters are ready to handle everything from residential spring cleaning to significant construction debris. Our roll-off dumpsters are designed for convenient and efficient waste disposal. We accept a wide range of approved materials, including household clutter, yard waste, and particular construction debris. At Trash Panda Dumpsters LLC, we prioritize customer satisfaction. We offer transparent pricing with all-inclusive packages that cover delivery, pickup, disposal fees, and even fuel surcharges. There are no hidden costs to worry about. Locally owned and fiercely committed to our community, Trash Panda Dumpsters LLC provides exceptional service and affordable prices. Choose from our wide selection of dumpster sizes for anything that needs tossing out. Ready to streamline your waste removal process in Edgewood, Maryland? Booking is easy, online anytime. Give us a call at 443-9602108 or visit our website at www.trashpandadumpster.com. Services Areas Collection Edgewood 2 CMD Dumpster Rental and our friendly staff will help you right away. Trash Panda Dumpsters LLC. Helping Edgewood, Maryland, go green, one dumpster at a time.